So that's my plant, guys. That's my plant. That's our plant. So this is our water, our tools to water our plants. So that's my plant, guys. That's my plant. That's our plant. So this is our water, our tools to water our plants. So that's our tools. So we'll start watering our plants now. So plant 1, I think it has died just a little bit. Next, plant 2. Plant 3. This is the plant 3. Plant number 3, I mean. Wait. There. Next, our last plant. Then our last plant again for the last time. Next, last plant again. There, we have no water now. So guys, that's just my part of activity and hobby. So I just got to have nothing to do while I'm waiting for my school, because I'm going back to school again. So I have decided that I'm going back to school because it has benefits for me. It's better for me to go there. I can learn more stuff there. So yeah. So next thing is what do you call that? This is a vlog about plants and horticulture. Plants and horticulture. See our plants. I somehow think a bit like plants. A bit this is our plants. This is our plants. Kita niyo po yung guys. Plants po naman on the outside. The outside plants is ours. Now, so plants are very good for analogy, and not just for, it doesn't just have benefits on our environment and our, what do you call that, our well-being. It doesn't have, it just it 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 doesn't just have benefits for our well-being. It also is good for analogy or something like metaphors like that, or meaning. It has meaning for existing, not just Not just everything has its purpose and meaning. Everything has its purpose and meaning, including plants, because uh, there's nothing that has no meaning and purpose. Everything has meaning. So yeah, that's all. That's why I'm going back to school, and so that I can learn more stuff and grow